Hey guys, it's Austin here from Wagon Competition. Today we're going to talk about our 2019 Up Cummins Solid Lifter Roller Conversion Kit that we're offering. So this here is a factory lifter. Before we install this kit, we need to inspect this lifter, inspect the outside of the bores to make sure that there's no deep scoring problems. Check the roller, make sure it's smooth, no defects on the roller there, everything's good. Make sure the key slot's still in there straight, up and down. And to put this kit in here, we're going to pop this clip. Let me grab my screwdriver. Pop this clip out of the top. Don't let it go flying because it will. And then we're going to take the push rod cup out. And these will be the only two pieces that we reinstall back into this lifter. So then we're going to take this pick and we're going to remove the factory hydraulic portion and the spring. So we will be discarding these two pieces, not to be used again. We're going to clean up our lifter bore. We're going to take our billet spacer that's going to come in the kit. We're going to put the nipple end down into the bore, reinstall our factory push rod cup, and then we would put the snap ring back on the top, and that would conclude our install of this kit. We run this lifter up to 1,000 horsepower, past 1,000 horsepower. We teamed up with Jessel. They've made us these lifters by design, and they have a larger keyway here, so it doesn't rotate in the block as much. The roller is more performance oriented than the factory one, and it already has the solid spacer built into the body, so there's no modifications required. This lifter here is ready to drop in, and again, we run these anytime we're over 1,000 horsepower. And then up top, we're going to go back to the old style rocker arms with the adjusters on the end. We're going to run the intake at 10 thousandths, the exhaust at 18 thousandths, and the kit is also going to come with this solid push rod that's the correct length for the kit, and everything's ready to drop in. If you guys got any questions, concerns, drop us a like below and comment, and check them out on the website. Thank you.